mine. I think we should steal him. Yeah?
Yep.
Yep.
Peter. Well, I'm sorry we couldn't meet in my office. I can't get rid of that endarterectomy team from Philadelphia.
I went over the charts again.
All of them. Well, I can see that spending a day thinking about this hasn't helped you, so let's just stop right here. Agree to disagree, and you can move on.
Apparently I already have.
Oh, I didn't fire you. I just let people know that you quit.
Which I hadn't.
I thought you needed help making that decision.
Mă, ce faci, mă?
I don't understand. At least 3 of those patients should not have been excluded from the study.
Mickey. Mickey. Au, au. Mickey.
I
Ce
thought
faci,
the
mă?
protocol determined that.
Ala-i degetul meu.
If you're manipulating the data,
Bă!
how can the study be valid?
How dare you question me? I give you the opportunity of a lifetime, and you have the
Mickey.
temerity to challenge my reputation.
The
Mickey.
results will be accurate, aren't lives at
Ce
stake.
faci, mă?
Yes, Peter, lives are at stake, lives that I save. Mama's
Ce faci, mă?
father's grandparents are living because I make choices.
Mickey.
I risk everything to do what I know is right.
Mickey. Ala-i degetul meu.
Peter,
Bă!
you are some junior chemist at the
Ce faci, mă? Te dor dinții?
Struggling county hospital. Now, how do you think money
Te dor dinții?
takes more than a please, and I promise to do what's right for my country. It takes results, and that, at any cost,
Mickey.
is what I produce. Now you screw with that,
Ce faci, mă?
and you will be off surgical service for a hell of a long day.
Ce mă, frumoșule?
Boy, when they made you stupid, they made you really stupid.
That's the only funny thing I've heard all day. I'm gonna die and you're gonna tell me I should give these up.
Ce faci, mă?
Actually, the cold's doing more damage. You do have pneumonia.
Maybe quicker's better.
Bă! Bă, ce faci, mă?
I told Nathan.
Bă!
I know it's illegal, but I did it anyway. He's
But-
really worried about you. He's worried
But-
that maybe he gave it to you. He wants to go through this together.
Yeah, sure, if he has it. But if he's clean and I'm sick, why is he gonna want to stick around?
Which I'm sure.
Au! 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 Au!
It's cold out here.
Hai, gata, gata, ajunge. Gata.
I'm gonna go inside.
Ajunge, mă, gata, mă, gata. Gata, mă, gata, gata. Bă, bă, n-auzi?
Staff meetings usually don't take this long.
It's okay.
Does Dean know what it's regarding?
No, he doesn't.
Bă, au, bă, bă, bă. Vezi că doare. Ia du-te și vezi ce a adus tati. Du-te și vezi ce a adus tati. Du-te.